Welcome back to Wall Street Confidential. We're discussing 3 recent trimmings in the AAPlus.com portfolio. Walgreens, Deere, National Oilwell Varco. Right. Jim, you're long-term bullish on these stocks. But
absolutely.
Okay, so what's going on right now?
Well, we wanted to, Steffi and Lincoln and I wanted very much to raise, get up to $200,000 in cash. Obviously, the portfolio is down a lot. We're equal to the S&P. I think if you subscribe, by the way, you're doing much better than we are because we just get bad price after bad price after bad price, both sell and buy. But I would point out that after a run like we've had, we were the longest we've ever been in AA Plus, beginning Monday, just the longest. And it's not something I felt good about because if the market had dropped substantially from 8,100, we would not be able to buy a lot. So, and we were buying companies that we felt represented unbelievable value, like a VF Corp, just falling off the cliff. Or buying the Gilead, which is really not economically sensitive, just being annihilated. We did not choose to buy Deere because Deere had a commercial paper problem, but that commercial paper problem has been apparently cleared up by the Fed, so that stock just put on 12. National Varco, we are seeing cancellations of rig projects. Now, I had believed that as long as oil held at 80, NOV would be safe. At 60, it's not safe, so we have to trim back. Walgreens is just a huge disappointment. They just have not executed well at all. Retail's a tough environment. I mean, if you ask me what to be in retail, I'm in VF, not Walgreens. Walgreens fooled us to some degree because they made this aborted bid for longs, and then the CEO was fired, and that's a very, very difficult thing to fathom. And so that is a cut your losses situation.
You mentioned $200,000 cash.
Yeah, we really want that.
Is that because you want a percentage of your portfolio, or that's just
I would like to get up
number?
to 10% cash after this kind of run. Everybody's bullish, everybody. And so when everybody's bullish, I sense the fact that we could have a reversal. This reversal I want to buy. I want to buy all the reversals. I just want to buy all the reversals, but I can't unless I sell 100,000 of the money I put to work last week. And I find, and I'm restricted on a lot of stocks, but and I'm not saying we got lucky. You know, the style of AA Plus is to buy down. But at a certain point, you can only buy down to when you've run out of cash. And we got to as close to empty as I like. So we basically have no choice but to, as the market rallies, we lift. We're opportunistic in buying. We took advantage of GE's alleged decline yesterday. But I mean, the stock was down, but there's nothing fundamental wrong with the company. But I want to emphasize to people that this market has gone from being one that was hated to loved, and it can just as easily turn to be hated again.
Okay, thanks very much, Jim Cramer. It's all about buying homework.
Yes.
You're watching Wall Street Confidential. Stay tuned.